Section 5 of Birds, Volume 1, Number 1, January 1897. Read for LibriVox.org by Alan Mapstone. The Mandarin Duck. A Letter from China. Quack, quack. I got in just in time. I came as fast as I could, as I was afraid of being whipped. You see, I live in a boat with a great many other ducks. My master and his family live in the boat too. Isn't that a funny place to live in? We stay in all night. Waking up early in the morning, we cry quack, quack, until we wake the master. He gets up and opens the gate for us, and out we tumble into the water. We are in such a hurry that we fall over each other. We swim about a while, and then we go to shore for breakfast. There are wet places near the shore where we find worms, grubs, and roots. When evening comes, the master blows a whistle. Then we know it is time to come home. We start as soon as we hear it, and hurry, because the last duck in gets a whipping. It does not hurt much, but we do not like it, so we all try to get home first. I have webbed feet, but I perch like other birds on the branches of the trees near the river. My feathers are beautiful in the sunlight. My wife always sits near me. Her dress is not like mine. It is brown and grey. From May to August I lose my bright feathers, and then I put on a dress like my wife's. My master's family are Chinese, and they are very queer. They would not sell me for anything, as they would not like to have me leave China. Sometimes a pair of us are put in a gay cage and carried to a wedding. After the wedding we are given to the bride and groom. I hear the master's whistle again. He wants me to come in and go to bed. Quack, quack. Goodbye.
End of section 5. This recording is in the public domain.